Hi, I am Ranit and my registration number is CR15CS324. Today we are going to see about two topics called merge sorting and quick sorting. First of all, we are going to see the merge sorting. First of all, we have to write hash in the IO stream and using namespace std. And here I am extra adding a hash with conio.h here to work the program and giving to initializing two functions here, void merge int and giving all the parameters are int, and second I am giving void merge sort, all the parameters as int and variables a, low and high. Again I am declaring a variable mid of data type integer, and I am giving a condition in if low is equal to less than high, then the mid is equal to low plus high by 2. This means this will divide it to both sides, on left sides and take as the right sides, so that the sorting will be easy. Again telling initializing to functions, merge sort a, low, mid. This is a left one from low to mid, and again merge sort a, mid plus 1 to high, mid plus 1 from mid plus 1 less cell to high, and again merging to these two sorted arrays, merge a, low, high, mid, again returning the value. First of all, I am defining this void merge so void merge in a, in the low, in the high, in the mid. I am declaring three variables and one array c of 50 and giving I is equal to low and k is equal to low, already initializing the value, and j is equal to mid plus 1, and by I is equal to less than or equal to mid, that means the I element should be before the mid, and j is equal to less than or equal to high. It will come into this loop and say if a of I is equal to less than a of j, that means they will compare both the arrays. If the first of this a of I of array is less than a of j of array, c of k is equal to a of I, and it will increment the index array k plus plus, and again it will increment the I plus plus. So the process will continue like this, otherwise else c of k is equal to a of j, and same like the index will be incremented, and but for I it will not increment, for j it will increment, otherwise it will come here. While I is equal to less than this statement I am typing, this statement I am typing here, because if all these statements are done and some elements are balanced in any one of the array, for that one should be merged with the main index, I am giving this. While I is equal to less than or equal to mid, c of k is equal to a of I. If the any array, if the any cell is balanced in a of I, the elements will be going to the main array. Again I am incrementing this all similar, same as while j is equal to less than or equal to high, c of k is equal to a of j, and k plus plus and j plus plus. Again I am giving this for I is equal to low, I less than k, I plus plus. I plus plus, this will increment after the processing. A of I is equal to c of I. Inside the main function I am declaring the arrays, both arrays, in the a of 20 and b of 20 and I. I am asking the user to enter the elements, and initially I to be 0 and I should be less than 5, not equal to, I should be less than 5, and taking this cn of a of I, and again calling the function merge sort a 0. This means starting, initialize already initialized to I. 0 to 4 means mid minus 1. Here the value n is not mid minus 1, n minus 1. Here the value is n is equal to 5 and 5 is 4. And again the sorted array will be shown here. The loop is used to show the arrays elements one by one. This is the value which shows the enter the, again I am asking enter the elements. See, again in b of I am asking the sorted array. This means this is the right array I am asking to asking the user to enter. Again it is sorted and taking it, showing the user. That's all. Let's run this program. Your error was found. I am entering the elements 23, 12, 5, 4, 6. How many 5 elements I have entered? And sorted array 4, 5, 6, 21, 23. So again it's asked to enter 12, 25, 41, 100, let's say 200. 12, 25, 41, 100, 200. That's all. Now let's check the quicksort array, how it was. In quicksort array, I'm giving same as Ashwin IO string using namespace std, and in partition in star a, in low, in high, declaring inside the function I'm giving the parameters, that's all. And again initializing the p is equal to a of high, and this is pivot. That means the element which I am taking on, and the less than I should take in different other array. And p index should be always low. For int I is equal to low, I less than high, and I plus plus. If a of I is equal to less than or equal to p, swap a of I and a of p index. That means if the a of I is less than the p value means if I taken any one of the value, the other value is less than that value, then swapping will occur. The a of I will be swapped between the p index, the main values, and it will increment the p index value so that it can the process will continue. Otherwise it will swap p of index into a of I and return the p index value. And here I am giving a function void quicksort in star a and in low in the I. If low is equal to less than high, if the condition is true, it will come inside, and in p index is equal to partition a low high and quicksort. These two functions are given to sort the array. Quicksort a low p index -1 and quicksort a p index +1 up to high. And inside the main function I am declaring a array a of 100 and 4 variables n, low, high and I, asking the user to enter a number of elements and taking it is in n. After that I am asking enter the elements and running the loop and getting it in a of I, and I am showing the user displaying the elements he entered. After that I am sorting the value. Then high is equal to n-1 and low is equal to 0. This here I am initializing because this inside this function the value cannot be passed. Function again I am calling a function quicksort a low high, running the loop and getting the values. Now was found. Let's enter the elements. I am giving 200. Sorry, enter number of elements. I am giving it as 5. I enter the elements 20, 30, 5 to 14. Initial array was 20, 35 to 14. The sorted array is 2, 5, 14 and 20, 30. That's all. Thank you.